guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today I have an unboxing video of a new handbag that I just ordered from a company called TEDDY BLAKE. I'm also going to share with you a body typing system that I have been using for the past 2 years that has completely transformed the way that I get dressed. But more importantly, I feel like I know exactly what to buy online, what's actually going to work for my body type. And we shall see if the bag that I chose was a good choice based on this design information I'm going to share with you. And then lastly, I'm just going to show you 3 handbags that I have been wearing consistently for the past 2 years. Before I learned this information, I would have never even thought of purchasing these bags. So it's a fun video. Buckle up, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get into it. So this is a company called TEDDY BLAKE. I've never heard of them before, and the video is not sponsored, but they did provide the bag to me for free. It's based in New York, but all their bags are made in Italy from Italian leather. Hello, the best. Huzzah. TEDDY BLAKE New York designer handbags made in Italy, luxury leather. Each TEDDY BLAKE handbag has been made with you in mind to be an extension of your unique style and flatter your every fashion choice. Basically eliminating the middleman so that you can have luxury goods at a lower price point. So I actually found the website and the pictures and the inspiration and the influencers on there to look very, very high end, but I thought that their price point was actually very reasonable. Okay, little bubble wrap. So exciting. So I decided to do something that I don't usually do. I chose a baby blue color. So here is a look at the bag, and it's got this kind of ruching detail, and it's an over the shoulder bag, and on the front of it, you'll see it has their brand name in gold, but it is actually very subtle, which I appreciate. And then it has this open and close, very easy access, open and close. And on the inside is a camel colored suede material that actually feels very luxe. It has a soft texture, and I actually really like it. I really do. Okay, so I actually just changed my dress so we could see what this bag looks like with one of my most worn dresses, which is this one. This is a Michael Kors dress that I got from TJ Maxx, and I wear it all the time. I love this dress. So let's see how this looks. Oh, super cute. I like that contrast. Okay, yes. Honestly, yes. What do you guys think? Okay. So I love this bag. I think it's super, super cute. And I also selected this bag because I thought that it could be worn successfully without the strap. And I just tucked the straps inside of the bag. And I think it can be worn as a little clutch, which I'm so into. So it's really, really soft. I think it's very, very elegant. I am obsessed with the size. That's one of the most important things I learned about my body type, which I'll get into in a second, is that small bags look more suited to my body. So let's measure it. So this bag is about 9 inches wide by 5 inches high, which is perfect for me. So cute. Let me go get my leather coat and see how that looks with this. I'm literally living for it. Tomorrow, I think I'm going to the Canton Flea Market, which is an hour away from Dallas. And guess what, baby? We are wearing this bag. Are you guys loving this? Hey girl. How do I do this? Okay, so let's talk about why I chose this bag. There is something called the Kibbe body type system, and I have talked about it on this channel before. And it's basically a body typing system that pretty much says whatever the characteristics of your body is, your limbs, the length, the angles of your face, how symmetrical you are, if you have huge eyes, small lips, all of that, whatever characteristics you have at any weight, you should be wearing the clothing that has those same characteristics. So I'm gonna link a couple of videos below that go into in more detail what the Kibbe body typing system is. But briefly for me, I learned that I am a soft classic body type, which is in the middle of the yin and the yang, okay? So I'm kind of right in the middle, very balanced of masculine and feminine, meaning the masculine side is more angular and structured, and the feminine is very rounded. I'm right in the middle and I'm on the softer side. So that kind of means that my body is generally rounded and soft, but very balanced and symmetrical. And so in terms of handbags, the bags that look the best on me are bags that also mirror those same qualities. So bags that are rounded, have soft material, bags that are not too huge or too tiny. So something in the middle. So I used to do everything wrong. I used to wear massive earrings. I used to wear huge prints. I used to wear giant bags. And so after learning about the Kibbe body type system, I learned that small handbags actually looked better on me along with rounded details. And that's why I chose this bag. If you go onto the Teddy Blake website, they have a lot of absolutely gorgeous bags. And this bag wasn't as photographed in like their influencer Instagram photos. Like a lot of people were actually going for like more structured bags or like this super cute little like kind of boho bucket bag, like backpack situation that was really, really cute. But I decided to go with this bag because I felt like it had the characteristics that worked for my Kibbe body type. And so I thought this would be the most successful bag for me. And I believe that I made a really good decision. So let me quickly show you the 3 bags that I have been wearing the most over the past 2 years. And I bought them based on the Kibbe body typing system, and I've worn them a ton. So I obviously made the right choice, okay? So this is my bag that I'm currently wearing that I wear all of the time. It's the most useful bag ever. It's a little Prada mini nylon bag over the shoulder. It's about the same dimensions as the Teddy Blake bag, about 9 inches wide. And I'm not the skinniest girl, but this tiny bag, I feel like really does suit my body type. Let me know if you agree in the comments below. Very, very similar to the characteristics of this bag in terms of shape and material. Relatively simple, small size, rounded edges, feminine details, not too busy. I would have never thought that this bag would suit me, but again, I learned the Kibbe body type system. Can you see how this bag fits my body? Feminine, intricate details are okay. And then the last bag that I wear all the time, I got this at a thrift store. This is again, something that I would have never noticed unless I learned about the Kibbe body typing system. Again, it's about the same size, small scale bag, rounded details, a little bit of intricate detailing is important, but you can just see like it does feel like it fits my body. So convenient, so summery. And I love like little handbags. For so many years, I put so much energy into interior design because that's my absolute passion. But I felt like I was kind of neglecting my personal style. And so one day I just realized like the design principles of interior design also apply to fashion. Why don't you just take those skills that you already know and apply them to fashion? And that's how I came about this information on the Kibbe body type system. That's helped me so much in knowing what I should purchase online, because it can be intimidating to purchase a bag that's, you know, a couple of $100s online and like you want it to work out. You don't want to buy something that like does not, you know, suit your body. And I really feel like I made the perfect choice in choosing this bag. I love it. It's so pretty. I hope my genuine excitement and like love is coming off of here, because I didn't have an over the shoulder bag in my collection. And honestly, it's because I never really liked the idea of a strap, because I feel like it would rub on my bra because I have like larger breasts and like kind of leave a mark on the shirt. But because this strap is so thin, it has a very light footprint, and I just don't feel that when I put it on. Like it's very, like it's not even denting into my dress at all. I don't like to carry a lot of stuff. I just need my cell phone, my little tiny wallet, keys and lipstick and sunglasses. Okay, that's a lot, but you know what I mean? Like I don't want to carry like a huge bag. And it feels secure too. Like no one's gonna be able to open that because it actually has like a significant, you know what I mean? Like it's very easy to open, but it's secure. Like this is a bag when we finally open up again and I go to Paris, I'm gonna be chilling in Paris, you know what I mean? Taking the subway, going around, getting my coffee. I'm living for it. It's so good. It's so good. It's like, God, it's so good, it's so good. So they have generously offered y'all a coupon code below, okay? So if you'd like to check out their bags and purchase one, you can use my code. I feel like the price point is really good, and here's my thinking when it comes to fashion and stuff. I truly believe that it is important to have a few amazing accessories that you absolutely love that are of wonderful quality, okay? I'm actually a very thrifty kind of shopper, to be honest, but I invested in this beautiful leather coat. I invested in the Prada bag. I invested in this bag. You know, these are like little investments, but then you can get away with like clothes from the thrift store. Like my sneakers are from Amazon, which I also love. Like it makes all of the difference. And I feel like your handbags have to be of good quality because you can't be wearing a cheap looking handbag. And it looks like it's all the stitching is perfect on the back. Okay. Really nicely done. I love the ruching detail. It's good. The inside's nice. Sorry, I didn't really even go into this. On the inside, it also has this little tag here that says Teddy Blake, New York in gold. And like, look at everything is done. This is not like a company from China. This is literally made in Italy with Italian leather, based in New York. And it smells delicious. Smells like leather. This is really, really good. This is the Parisian style of dressing too. It's like you invest in quality accessories and then you just wear like a white t-shirt and jeans. So this can be dressed up and dressed down. I'm literally, I love it. I'm like so happy actually. And the strap looks like it's beautifully done, perfectly stitched. The scale of this is delicious. I'm literally obsessed. They want to know what you want. So you can follow them on socials. All of their stuff is linked below. If you want to purchase something, check out their website and make sure to use my code. They're also like open to suggestions. So I think they come out with like new designs every month. And so it's all about that stuff. I love it. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if I made the right choice and I will talk to you in the next one. Bye.